top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Like I just said, that you got your first account. So could you tell us a little bit about how long it took you to get the first contract after you invested your money into the business?
So yes, I got the starter kit in November. When I got the starter kit in November, when going through the starter kit, I seen that, you put on there that we could do like Airbnb cleanings and things of that nature. So that's what I started doing in the beginning. So I got this contract in December, actually. I did the walkthrough early December, and towards the end of December, I got this contract.
That's what's up, man. So you got basically a 1 month. So after 1 month of investing your money and you turn around next month, your whole life changed. You actually got a company that's bringing some money now. So that's what's up, man.
Yeah, it worked quick, man.
Yeah. So you told me it's an apartment complex. How has the cleaning part gone so far for you?
It was a breeze. It was a breeze, man. I mean, just for me personally, I fly through this whole complex. It's about 8 floors. I fly through it within like 2 hours.
Wow.
And that's just doing like the heavy cleaning. After that, I'm just walking around, maintaining, make sure the building is good before I leave every day. So it's been a breeze, actually.
That's good to hear. Because the reason why I asked that is really for my own selfish reasons. The reason why I'm asking is because I know that with the starter kit course that I provide with starter kit, it really focuses more on really the business side, because to me that's the more complicated stuff. I feel like I got stuff in there for cleaning. I got a couple of videos and I got some PDF stuff that you can read, but it's obviously not hands-on training. So it's like, yeah. I wanted to really get your feedback on this. I'm glad it's a breeze for you so far.
Yeah.
And so are you doing the apartments, or is it just the apartments, or are you doing like common areas too?
So yes, I do the common areas. I do the leasing office, and I do apartments as well. I told them when I first did the walkthrough, I told them like, hey, I could do apartment clean offs. That's like always in my pitch, especially since I was anxious. I say, man, look, I clean anything, So I do everything: apartments, the leasing office, common areas, everything.